Legos. Time for Legos.
Prepare for the end, Dib. You've just been splashed with my most diabolical creation ever! It burns! I'm melting! Wait, that's not what it does.
Oh, yeah. So what does it do?
It causes anyone who gets happy to blow up!
But I'm never that happy, especially when I'm covered in goo.
You may have won the war, Dib, but you have not won the thing bigger than war. I will create more happy-popping juice and sneak up on you when you're happy.
I won't be happy until you're destroyed!
Never! Never! Ah! Wow, Dib, you're so lucky to be friends with Zim. I was friends with Zim once. Those were the best days of my life.
Friends? Actually...
Isn't he just the best?
Look, Keith. You know what? Zim is the best, and I have something that'll make him really happy. Wanna help?
Boy, do I! If I make him happy, Zim might even let me come near him again. Without taking my organs out! Yay!
Great! Here's all you have to do. Just take this brain rotter and put it on Zim's head. Easy! Zim loves these.
Hey, buddy! It sure has been a while, huh? Brains melting! Yeah. Wow! Look! He really is happy! Hey, pal! That's my friend Dib. Keith?
I don't think us being friends is gonna work out. Go home!
Oh, okay, Dib. I gotcha. Welcome to your room, Dib. All that dark, spooky stuff was making you sad.
What the? What have you done?
Someone I know is grumpy. You get some rest so we can play with Zim some more tomorrow.
Zim and I are not friends, Keith. I wouldn't be friends with him if he were the last person on Earth. And he's not even a person.
Whee! Zim and Dib aren't friends? I'm going to make them friends, and they'll be so happy they'll like me even more. Hager! I missed you too. I need you to do something very important. You need to tell Zim to invite Dib over for dinner. But Gur, it'll make Zim happy, and you want Zim to be happy, right? Invite my filthy nemesis to sup at Zim's base! Into my base for fooding!
But he's so nice. You just gotta give him a chance, and then open up his head and sleep in it like a squishy little bed.
What? No! Invite Dib over? That's insane! Even for you! I'll just have to think of something else!
Oh no, Keith. You're not getting anywhere near my house. The security system is on, and...
Yeah! Hi, buddy! I've got news for you, Dib! Top secret news!
Don't your parents wonder where you are?
Yeah? Anyhow, my news is about Zim!
Yeah, he's a great guy, I know!
That's true, but the news is he's ready to talk to you! He wants to admit to being a ghost or whatever!
Oh, he does he?
He sure does! He's just bursting with wanting to tell you-ness! Are you bursting with wanting to hear it-ness?
Yes, I am.
Great! Zim will meet you tomorrow night at 7 o'clock at McMeady's!
The McMeady's on Maple?
No! The one on Haverford!
The Greenbush one?
No! This is fun!
No, it isn't, Keith! It isn't fun at all! Which McMeady's? The other one on Maple! Fine! See ya, buddy! So, here we are. Yup. Keith says you wanted to tell me something. Yes, I sure do. Isn't Keith just great? Boy, oh boy, yes. So, I'm an alien. I thought so. Well, thanks for letting me know. Now, we can be friends forever. I did it! You guys are friends now! Yay! That's right. We sure are. I knew it! Now we can all be best friends and hang out all the time, and we can rent an apartment in the city and get a car with 3 steering wheels and buy footy pajamas and... Oh no! Footy pajamas! Zim! The plan! Now! Aha! And we'll spin around and get sick because that's just so fun! And we'll get jobs fixing copier machines! And oh, it'll be... A, B, C, D, 8, 9, 11, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, 6, 5, D, L, L, M. Oh, wow! Look at that! You're even better friends than I thought! Wow! He's still not popping! We'll have to do more! Yay! So happy! So happy! I think he's almost It's okay, everybody. I'm all right. Well, he'll be out for a few weeks, so I guess that's that. Hey, you admitted to being an alien. That was just part of the act. But I videotaped it. Is that hug on there as well? Huh? Ah!
It's over, don't you know it's over? Yeah, it's over, yeah. Shut up!